So these are some the formulas that we have already seen in the previous slide. Intro and deep dive into the Slack exchange. Now let's move on and copy this function. Get amount of token. Paste it. Returns the amount Ether crypto dApp token that would be returned to the user in the swap. So input reserve and reserve should be greater than 0, otherwise it will return invalid reserves. Amount with fee equal to input amount multiply 99, that would the fee of swapping. Numerator fee multiply output reserve, denominator equal to input reserve multiply 100 plus input amount with fee. So numerator divided by denominator. So that's what will be returned when we're going to call this function. Now let's move on to the next function. Now let's implement the function to swap crypto dApp token to Ethereum. Now this is the swap function, and this will be the last function. Yes. Let's just copy it and paste it here. So we do ones. Token reserve, call the amount of token to get the amount of ether that will be returned to the user after the swap. Get amount of token, here it is. That function will be called with the token sold, token reserve, added its parents, and then there's a function about age greater than equal to ether is sufficient amount. Output amount, transfer crypto dApp tokens from the user address to the contract. So here tokens are transferring from user address to the contract, then the ether bound to the user from the contract. So ether will be sent to the user. Okay. Now let's move on. Your final contract should look like this.